Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got a brand new ball from Storm Products, and it's always a great day when they announce a brand new IQ. The newest Pearl IQ with no AI, the IQ Sapphire. This could be kind of gross. IQ Sapphire. I don't know what order these videos are gonna come out. We just shot the Wicked Gremlin review. Blowing on the house shot here at Gold Coast. Shout out to Gold Coast for letting us come in and use their lanes to film the videos. Order of operation says you start the strong ball first in the review, and then the weak one. But I threw the IQ AI a bunch during the tour season. They just discontinued it. I don't have any blanks, so hopefully this one fills that void. But again, no AI, full Pearl. It should be cleaner than the AI. I did bring the AI to compare. This one is 4 1/4 by 4 1/2 by 3 1/2. The 3 1/2 COG was on accident. I meant to put 2 1/2, but here we are. She's got some curvature to her. I am kind of in the middle of where I was bowling with the Wicked Gremlin, so there's a little bit of traffic. I'm not on the other side of it yet. I'm willing to bet this is gonna start looking a lot better once we get further left. So why don't we just start? So the IQ line has been one of the most reliable lines in the Storm Nation catalog for years and years and years, since 2012, I believe. I feel like it's only wise of them to keep pumping them out. I missed the green one. I think this is gonna be the closest one to the green one that we've had. The red one was good, but it's a brighter pigment, so that's naturally gonna make it hook earlier. This one's back to the darker pigment. Oh, I love it when it does that, like wants to deflect and then it keeps going. I don't know if that's because of the rack or if it's the ball, but that's cool. It's so cool when that happens. No! It's not even full, man. Oh, it is. Sorry, technical issues. We have not enough storage on the phone. All right, we're gonna have to try to make this quick because my camera is full of technical difficulties. Just no storage. Poor planning on my behalf. But hey, another little break. Back in we go. Oh my goodness. That almost came back. That first shot out of the commercial break is always tough. So, IQ Sapphire. Again, you know, I haven't thrown the IQ Emerald in a long time. This definitely is gonna be the closest thing to it. I like these low differential bowling balls, low RG, low diff. They wanna read the middle of the lane pretty good, but still push through it with that diff. Yerp. Yeah, this one seems useful. So it's kind of nice having similar bowling balls in this range, but different differentials. So you could have a ball kind of like the Bionic, and then like an IQ. Ion Pro, I guess, would be a little closer to it. The biggest difference would be the diff. For me, lower in the bag, I'd probably have Road Warrior next to this. RG's a little bit higher on the Road Warrior, which is gonna make it want to get down the lane with that. When they feel flatter, I like to throw the lower diff bowling balls, the tour bowling balls, the ones that are gonna be rounder and more controllable. All year, that's really all I've been throwing. Ion Pro Solid, IQ AI, Concepts, Red Ball, all kind of the same idea. So the part that gets tricky with these loaded balls sometimes is they get a little too stable and they don't go forward fast enough. So carry can become an issue when the pocket's a little more readily available. So that's why there's that balance. That's why we have higher flaring bowling balls and lower flaring bowling balls like this one. So when it calls for it and we need a little bit of a rounder shape, we have this. This is not your big boom hockey stick bowling ball. I mean, can it big boom and hockey stick? Yeah, but the design intent is not for that. It's to be clean and fairly round. Ooh. kind kind of throwing it all over the place right now. Working on some physical things on the off season. It's really what I do. Trying to get a little later here. And then a faster fourth step. Create a little more power, a little more stuff that we don't need to talk about right now. But when would I throw this ball? Probably a little later in the block when we start to see a little more friction in the front of the lane. I'll throw one more and then we'll go to the AI, see the difference. AI should be a little bit earlier, a little bit smoother. Ooh. Yeah, this one goes forward nice. I mean, at least right now. But let's shift gears. This is one of my better rolling IQ AIs, one of my favorite ones. I think I have 3 of them drilled right now. This one is, I'm not really sure. I think it's 4 1/4 by 4 1/2 by 2 1/2. So the COG, the pin's not as tall, essentially. So it should be even more round and on line. You see, it's not quite as sharp as the Sapphire, and with the Sapphire being full pearl, lacking the AI, not gonna read the lane as early. It's gonna come off it a little harder. I was trying to create a little bit of separation just to see, and I'm seeing enough, for sure. Like if I want some more free push, we lost storage again. Oh, it's not even gonna let me take a video. All right, well, anyways. We have up there, we don't have the on lane for the rest of the video. I apologize, guys. The quality of the video is lacking due to my shortcomings, but this is what we got. I'm throwing this. This is gonna be in like the 5 slot in the bag. I would like another ball at the bottom just to be able to hook the lane a little more outside of this. So that would be like Road Warrior, high road type ball. Maybe even a Hustle. Those are on the lower dip side as well and slightly weaker than these. All great options, but I don't like this ball being my weakest because I want the weakest one to be the one I can hook the lane a good amount with, and the IQs just aren't really meant for that. I think I just need to invest in another camera, so if you guys would please watch the whole video, like the video, so we can afford a new camera. I mean, we can afford a new camera. Who am I kidding? But yeah, we get this YouTube picking back up. It'll be a lot easier for us to buy cool things so we can make better videos. But with that being said, IQ Sapphire come to you guys August 7th, I believe. Pretty blue ball. I like blue balls. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Stupid phone!